On the 15th of February 1935, a team of engineers, a remarkable car and a remarkable driver arrived here in the little city of Lucca in Tuscany. They want to achieve something truly special. They wanted to beat a speed record that just had been set by Mercedes-Benz and Rudolf Caracciola. And they made it. With this fantastic Stromlinien-Rennwagen, they achieved the remarkable speed of 320 kilometers an hour on a public road. Hans Stuck drove the car, and Audi thought, the car does not exist anymore. We only have black and white photos and some records about this achievement. And they thought, we go the extra mile, we think that's not enough. And they completely rebuilt this car so that we can show it to you in all little details. The Auto Union Lucca. What a sight. Look at this aerodynamic shape that has been the reason why this car was able to hit a speed record. And the mission was clear. We want to achieve the land speed record with a car. And you have to imagine at that time, speed records were like things comparable with the moon landing in a way. Every new speed record was celebrated in the press worldwide, and every car manufacturer tried to beat the other one. So it was a constant development. And how radical this design is, you see at the result of the Lucca. Nowadays, the one thing that might not be original on this car is the engine, in the sense of that's not the same setup as it was when the speed record happened. So this car has been an inspiration for many other streamlined cars in the past. So how did this all came together? Why did Audi move that way to recreate this car? Simply, it was missing. After the speed record, the car went in a different configuration to the Aarhus race in Berlin. And after that, the original car has gone missing because it was very common to reuse parts of the cars after damages or it was needed for the development of new cars. So Audi said, we don't want to have only pictures of the Lucca, we really want to have the real deal. So they went on a staggering 3-year project to recreate the Auto Union Lucca based on documents they have in their archives. The speed record cars are funnily named Rennlimousine, which means race limousine. And I have to say, I don't see much of a limousine here, and I will try to sit in later. Not sure if that will work out, and then I can tell you how much of a limousine the Auto Union Lucca is. But I assume not that much. Anyhow, the idea to recreate this car was also to show how important lightweight aerodynamics are. So with the development of the original Lucca, they took a model of the car into a wind tunnel test, which was normally used for other parts in aviation, to really find out how the wind slip would look like. And this is the reason why the shape of this car looks so futuristic, and really it is a rocket on wheels. And now let us take a closer look at the cockpit of the Auto Union Lucca. Imagine being a racing driver in the 30s, sitting in the small compartment, only one direction ahead. You have a large speedometer which only goes to 300 kilometers an hour. You have the RPM rev counter, water temperature, oil temperature, and very important, oil pressure. The power is translated from the engine via a 5-speed, and this looks absolutely like a piece of art. And you know what? Now we're going to try if I fit in. And for this, we take the steering wheel away. And let's have a look if that works. One thing is clear, I'm not the right size for the car. And definitely with me behind the wheel, a speed record would have been impossible. Hans Stuck, though, made it. On the flying kilometer, he did it. 326 kilometers an hour. What an achievement in this narrow cockpit. Absolutely crazy if I think about it. I look at the speedometer, it ends at 300. So imagine sitting in this car near Lucca and going over 326. Absolutely impossible. But now the car is open. So a speed record was impossible with that. So we need to be more streamlined. Gents, give me the full treatment. For this, obviously I have to lower my head. So this is the full setup, and I can tell you, I feel very claustrophobic inside of the Auto Union Lucca. And imagine whatever happened, going that fast is absolutely incredible. It's actually riding on a rocket. So before I lose my consciousness, I think, gents, give me some air, please. And one thing is very clear, the respect for the racing drivers hunting for speed records in these marvelous machines is pretty high after sitting on this crunched position in this car. And now let's have a look at the engine, the powerhouse of the Auto Union Lucca. What an absolutely marvel this engine is. 6 liter, 520 horsepower, the absolute ultimate iteration of the 16-cylinder engine for the Auto Union race cars. We have to say this car has not been powered with that engine in the original Lucca race car because they used a much smaller one. It was a 5 liter with 340 something horsepower, but still they made the speed record. Look at all these fantastic details, the exhaust, the setup of the whole engine, and literally you see you sitting on a rocket with this small cabin in front. So absolutely stunning. Such a work of art, I would say a fantastic result of engineering thinking. You have the chance to see the car in action at the 2026 Festival of Speed in Goodwood, because then the Rennlimousine will celebrate his official race debut, demonstration run debut to be more precise, on a track. We hope that we hear the car firing up. Let's see if that will be possible, because the sound of a 16-cylinder Auto Union engine is absolutely unique. As you could imagine, starting a racing machine like the Auto Union Lucca is not an easy task, so many hands are needed to get the car running. It's not just turning the key and off you go. Lots of things have to be done. Warming up the engine, fuel, oil pressure, and then the starter, we had external kit, so that's really difficult. So let's see how it will go. And with this, our little time travel with the Auto Union Lucca in Lucca comes to an end. What an adventure it was. We saw all the facets of the car. We learned so much about the history, about this fantastic 16-cylinder engine, and then the highlight, of course, seeing the car back on the road. The sound and the smell, absolutely amazing. Thank you for joining us on this little trip back into automotive history, and if you want not to miss any future videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or give us a follow on Instagram. Arrivederci from Lucca with the Auto Union Lucca.